They didn't overturn the rulings, but they cracked open the door for them to fall. Let's talk about what the Supreme Court didn't say and why it still matters. This week, the court told lower federal judges to revisit several decisions that had previously sided with transgender plaintiffs, especially when it comes to health care and legal recognition. That includes a case where Oklahoma was ordered to let trans people change their birth certificate, and rulings that protected medically necessary transition care in West Virginia and North Carolina. Why the sudden shift? Because on June 18th, the court upheld Tennessee's ban on gender-affirming care for minors, saying it doesn't violate equal protection or count as sex-based discrimination. Now, the Supreme Court didn't overturn any trans rights rulings directly, but by sending them back, they're signaling recalculate, possibly reverse. And here's the deeper issue. These rulings hinge on a landmark 2020 case called Bostock versus Clayton County, which said it's impossible to discriminate against someone for being transgender without discriminating based on sex. The new Tennessee ruling doesn't address Bostock directly, but it does carve out room for states to impose broad restrictions on care, even if it disproportionately affects transgender people. What does that mean for everyday people? If you're a teacher, a parent, a state employee, or just someone navigating identity, your access to healthcare, legal documents, and public life could shift depending on your zip code. This isn't abstract, it's policy with real impact. So, while the court says this is just procedural, let's not pretend it's neutral. Follow Smart Brown Girl 121 for grounded political analysis and hidden history, and Smart Brown 4 as a backup. Subscribe on Substack for weekly breakdowns on how law, policy, and power affect real people. My link tree is in my bio to follow me on all socials. Stay informed and stay safe.